Hello everyone, welcome to MALLE EN COIN. I'm making this video to introduce ourselves and explain what we do. MALLE EN COIN is a renowned company that specializes in the restoration and preservation of vintage and antique luggage, specifically hard luggage. We restore trunks like these, wardrobes, suitcases, vanity cases, boxes, toiletry kits, travel kits, writing kits, and other items, all sorts of things, but always rigid, such as these. We have been a living heritage company since 2021, and we are the only ones in the profession to have this label from the French government. We are located in Alsace, in Haguenau, 1 hour and 40 minutes from Paris by TGV, high-speed train, 30 minutes from Baden-Baden in Germany, 1 hour and 30 minutes from Switzerland, 1 hour and 30 minutes from Luxembourg, in the heart of Europe and accessible from all imaginable countries. We restore luggage for the United States, for Asia, for Australia, and almost all the countries in Europe. We have already restored luggage for Kuala Lumpur, for New York, for California, for Canada, and for Mexico, as well as for Mexico. And so we are used to handling various types of European and non-European transports and effectively managing those issues. All the mails are located in premises that are 450 square meters in Alsace, in Haguenau. And all the trunks you see on our site are in stock here. You are welcome. We only open by appointment. So any day of the year, anytime, whenever you want. But exclusively by appointment. Since during the week our workshops are busy working and restoring, and the entire team is dedicated to restoration tasks, to avoid not being able to receive you, just let us know in advance, and from there we can open our doors for you whenever you want.